Hello YouTube, I'm back. We're going to make a track today on my property. It's gonna be great. Ashley, best girl in the world, she got me a freaking GoPro 13 Black Hero. Check it out. Check it out. Thank you very much, Ashley. We're gonna try to do a good video. 5.3K. Yeah, baby. It's gonna be the coolest day. We're gonna make a track for the four-wheeler. Stay tuned. So, when building a racetrack for an off-road vehicle, so retarded, you need these tools. Once you got all these things, you can make it happen, Captain. Let's do it. No, what's great is that we already have. It's true. You gotta come closer and speak louder. For some reason, they never hear us. These freaking GoPros. Goddamn garbage. $1,000 garbage. All right, so we already got half the track done. The other half's gonna be right through here. I want to show sort of like the before, right? We come right through here. It's gonna come around. There's gonna be a loop. It's gonna be beautiful. We come back on the straight stretch. Everybody's happy. All right. So, Ashley, maybe just pass it to me. I'll just show like what we're trying to make, so people remember the. Oh. Okay, so it'd be coming through here. Right through. See, it's almost already done. You come right through here. Cut all the branches here. Come right through here, so you remember how bushy it is. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use a lawnmower too. Lawnmower is a good one. Comes through here. Boom, we're on track. Cut to the right. Come back around. With this super straight stretch. And you're back at home base. Alrighty. Oh, and before we continue any further, let's not forget old Betsy over here. This is the toughest goddamn lawnmower in the world. Runs like a bag of shit. I have to start it with this rope. Fuck, I love her. We call her, what did I call her? Baggy? I don't want to flood her. Just want to make her happy.
That was a worm. A worm. Let's go bring him his glasses. That one, right in my face. We finally decided to take the rake out.
All the little clips.
What did you say, sorry?
All the little clips that we think are useless. We've been noticing dog playing around. Exactly. Exactamundo, bro. So, sun's out, guns out. We, you got your tickets?
To what, the gun show?
Oh boy. You know, like, you just gotta get kids. Got the leaf blower in the shot. We didn't want to let you guys down. Strange. Anticlimactic. There we go. Hi, sweet angel. How you doing, Evie? That pretty lady, eh? Look, I got the pit crew working hard. Hired her. She's from Massachusetts. And he got blue eyes, baby.
Nightwing La Bomba or something?
Nightwing La Bomba. That's his last name now.
Damn, that was beauty. Here he comes! He's here! Oh my goodness! Watch out, Evie! You gotta listen, Mama. Not bad? Looks awesome.
Alright, so this is the track with my point of view. That bump, we're gonna have to fix it there. Okay, so hold it. It's a first gear kind of track. Oh shit. So that was a lot of fun. Like I said, guys, thanks for watching. Try to subscribe, comment. I love comments.